I would like to address some things that are going on in my comments. People with usernames like calls and music and Logan, they're asking me always the same phrase, do you want to be friends? Yes, I would like to be friends, but also I don't want to get hacked. So I'm not going to like, heart, comment, or anything on those. Please comment on the video and we're just automatically friends. Alright, we'll leave it at that. Hey, Katie here, and welcome to my video. Hello! Hope that you all are doing so well this week, and what is it now? Probably uploading this on the middle of the week? Yeah? No? Maybe? I hope so. But anyways, today we're going to be doing some more 365 hairstyle video challenges. Boop, 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 boop. Is that getting old yet? I don't know. But not going to do part 2 yet of the quarantine hair. I am letting my hair rest, and I haven't gotten stuff in the mail, so I'm not sure if the next thing's going to be toning or just going straight into maybe coloring my hair. It's up in the air. A few different ideas, you know, just brewing up here. But today's hairstyle, it is from my OG favorite first love YouTuber that I have ever watched, Grav3yardgirl. Woo! Shout out to the Swamp fam out there. How's it going? I am going to attempt the Sassy bun, which is really easy and all this stuff, but making it look good. Can I pull it off? That's going to be the true video today. I have the long hair, yes, but I've got the dreaded hair. So I did look for the actual hair tutorial that she posted. It had to have been a year and a half ago, maybe half a year ago. In between that time span, I couldn't find it. I don't know if she took it off, if it was in a live video, if it was just a short little segment in one of her blogs. I couldn't find it. I've been wanting to do this video since I started posting, since it was just a thought in my brain to post videos to YouTube, but I haven't been able to find it. But she does have a video out from 6 years ago, Easy Summer Hair Big Bun Tutorial, which is a pretty interesting video. It's from before my time, probably about a year or two from when I started watching her videos. It's not the Sassy bun, but I am going to pull a little bit from the beginning of that in the prepping of the hair. And then I'm gonna go into what I saw in the video, does this webcam really work video, and I'll put links in the description below to these videos and to her actual YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm excited. Y'all excited? Anyways, let's get into it. So we're going to be using 2 products here. We have Amika Undone Texture Spray and Perfect Shine Oil Mist by Nature Lab Tokyo. And Bunny uses a, dry shampoo in the first part of that video, but I don't have a dry shampoo and I don't want to put dry shampoo in my hair. I almost don't even want to put this texture spray in my hair, but at the same time, dirtier hair holds style better. It just does. It really does. There's more texture for things to grab onto. And it's not necessarily dirty hair, but the more product that you have in your hair and stuff, it's just gonna hold up. So what I'm doing is putting some of this oil into the bottom bits, smushing that up. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so now that we have that all pretty evenly put in, really it does smell good. Gotta shake that up a little bit. I'm just gonna put the texture spray kind of like near the scalp, but not on the scalp, because I like to keep my scalp pretty clean if I can. Honestly, I don't know how much I have left of this, because I think I did use it before in another 365 hairstyle challenge video. Kind of been like the first 3 or 4, right? Maybe. Okay, so, oh, that does feel pretty textured. Nice. Just give the hair a little shake out. You want some volume. And from what I remember from the tutorial I watched that she posted, that I'm not sure if she took down or not, I just could not find, combined with what I viewed from the one live video, you want volume. Just volume. Volume's good. Head massages are good. So we're going to tease the hair just a little bit, you know, tease it. I don't know exactly how to tease dreads, but I'm just taking a section of hair and yanking it down. The next item that we're going to need for this is a hair tie. I'm using a extra large hair tie because that's just what I need for my hair to hold up. And what you're gonna do is place your ponytail on top of your head and your glasses on the floor, because I mean, who needs those anyways? They just get in the way, obviously. And if you want a little bit of volume, you can have tease the fronts, or what I like to do is, instead of pulling it tight, I just kind of grab over my fingers, and that's where I'm going to be placing the hair tie. So, have the hair on top of the head, and she said wrap it around like 3 times. In the tutorial I can't find, but I remember it clear as day. Bring it about 2/3 to halfway up. Sass it out. And you take this leftover amount of hair. I don't know if it was tucked under or tucked over, but I'm just going to tuck it behind, and you take the hair tie, a piece of that, and you wrap it around the ends. The end, right, so you put the end in, and I'm just gonna take the remainder of the end and also tuck it in. So now there's 3 little bulbs instead of 2. And that's not a bad sassy bun. Sassy! Aha! This is hairstyle number 25. The sassy bun. Bit of a novelty, I assume, for most people, but to most others, it is a way of life. I only hope that I did Bunny proud. That she's doing well. Like, seriously, she's helped so many people. She's helped me through pretty hard times, and I just hope she's not going insane with all these pandemic things going on. If y'all know anything about her, you'd understand. But, yeah. Y'all have a good day. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Go check out Graveyard Girl. 100% recommend. She's got a second channel, Banana Peppers. Hey, shout out to Banana Pepper Squad. And, yeah. I love y'all. Bye. Definitely gonna edit this out.